YouTube, what's good? Vinny Matthews here. Thanks for checking out the channel. And today I'm going to show you guys 5 ways to make your dreads grow fast.
What about harder?
What?
What about stronger? And better?
Yeah, faster.
What about harder and better?
What do you
and
mean?
Stronger?
Is that the Daft Punk song?
That's Kanye.
That's Daft Punk. That's
Stronger. That don't kill me, can only make us stronger.
Roll the intro.
Welcome back, everybody. I am Vinny Matthews. Thanks for checking me out. And if you haven't already, or if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You won't regret it. Now, before we actually get into the video, I want you guys to understand that I am not a dread guru. I'm not a dread perfectionist. I am not a dread professional. I am just a guy with dreads who's been growing it for quite a while now. I just don't want you guys just to take what I say and run with it. Actually do your own research. Find out what works best for you. But these tips that I know for myself personally help me out for my dreadhead journey. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Step number 1 to growing your dreads is to wash your hair. It's that simple, right? Wash your hair. I know. There was a big rumor back in the day saying, if you let your dreads get dirty enough, it'll actually grow. But how does that really sound to you guys? Let's think about it for a second. Get my dreads dirty, and then it'll grow. How counterproductive does that sound? Has anything actually worked by being dirty, other than Dirty Dan? Like from SpongeBob? Dirty Dan.
I want to be Dirty Dan.
Okay, but yeah, basically, wash your hair. Once you wash your hair, it allows your hair to grow. Once you get rid of all the dirt and the clog and all the cutting and everything that's stopping and preventing your hair to grow, it'll finally grow. So, first step, wash your hair. Find a shampoo and a conditioner, or find some natural remedies, or do an ACV rinse. I've actually got a video of me doing an ACV rinse. I'll link it up here. It's probably time for me to do a new updated one. It's been a long time since I've done it, but either way, wash your hair. Give your hair a chance and an opportunity to grow. Don't prevent it from growing, just grow it, okay? Wash your hair. It's that simple.
Step number 2 to make your dreads grow faster is to actually moisturize your hair. Like, you think anything is going to grow while it's dry? Like, just think about your scalp right now. Your scalp is just all dried and thirsty, craving for moisturizer, for water, for atmosphere. Y'all know where that's from?
Water. Atmosphere.
Yeah, I know. Another SpongeBob reference. Willikers. I love SpongeBob. Yeah, just moisturize your hair. That can be just you getting some oil, whether that's castor oil, coconut oil, anything. Just moisturize your hair. Nothing is going to get accomplished when it's dry. Nothing fun happens when it's dry. You know what I'm talking about. Anyways, so one more simple things that I started doing that I didn't do but actually do now is actually just getting a bottle of water, put some water in it, and just spray your scalp. Do that once every day. Give your dreads an opportunity to breathe. Just think about your skin. When your skin is all dried and scaly, it's ashy, right? Nobody likes an ashy person. Just think about your scalp. Your scalp is ashy. And don't you and realize when you actually have lotion, once you put that lotion, that oil on you, like, it's that tingling feeling like, yo, I'm actually breathing now. Give your scalp some chance to breathe. Step number 2, moisturize your scalp. Step number 3 to making your dreads grow faster is to actually massage your scalp. Give your scalp stimulation. Only good things happens when you're stimulated. That wasn't a good joke. Bring stimulation to your scalp. When you're bringing stimulation to your scalp, that's blood flow just going through your head. It's that simple. Just put your fingers in your head. Actually, before you even do all that, go in the room. Be by yourself. You need this time. Okay? Massage yourself. You need this time. Put your fingers lock the door too. Lock the door. Lock the door. Put your fingers in your scalp and you see? Hold on. See how awesome that feels? Just massage your scalp. Just think about it. When you have muscles that are tight in your body, what do? You massage it to relieve those muscles, okay? So that it can go back to its regular form and so it can start growing again. It's that simple. You massage your back, you massage your glutes. Why not massage your scalp? Get that blood flow going, and then only one good thing happens when that blood flow goes, right? Dang, you did it again, baby. Step number 3, massage your scalp. It's that simple, it's that easy. Do it on your own time, but when you're doing it, just remember, Vinny told you that you needed some alone time. Get that alone time. You deserve it. Tip number 4 to making your dreads grow faster is having an actual healthy diet. Whoa, 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 whoa. I know. Nobody likes to eat healthy these days, but nobody's telling you you have to eat healthy all the time. What I'm saying is you are what you eat, okay? If you're eating bad things, fast food, fried food, fatty foods, just imagine what you're putting into your body, and your head is a part of your body. So once your head is a part of your body, that means your dreads is going to look okay? But if you're eating the right amount of vegetables, the right amount of proteins, your macronutrients, your minerals, your vitamins, all that good stuff, spinach, broccoli, whatever, just imagine how beautiful, how elegant your hair is going to be, okay? You are what you eat. Eat healthy foods. Make your dreads grow faster. Like I said, we're helping ourselves, okay? Not only is our dreads going to grow, we're going to grow as a human being, okay? We're going to grow bigger, faster, stronger. All that good stuff, okay? That all plays a role into your hair. What am I doing with my hands? I'm always with my hands up there. I wish these hands was filled with some food for my dreads, that is. But yeah, either way, healthier foods will make your dreads grow faster. I may do a part 2 to this series and actually tell you guys specifically what you guys should eat or what foods or supplements that actually going to help your dreads grow, but we'll do it in the next video. These are 5 easy steps, so okay. Last but not least, step number 5 into making your dreads grow really faster is to relax. Does anything good happen when you're stressed out? I know most people think, oh man, I'm in that ugly stage where my dreads just won't grow. It'll never grow, bruh. Relax, okay? Just because you don't see results doesn't mean results aren't happening, okay? It may be a slow progression, but it still is progression, okay? Relax. Once you're stressed out, your body sends hormones to your brains to make it start freaking out, and nothing's going to happen. Nothing's good is going to happen to your head. Nothing's good is going to happen to your dreads. Just think about people when they are stressed out. They're either depressed, they're sad, they're moving around. It creates them to eat bad foods. Whatever it is, nothing good comes out of stress. So just relax. Your dreads is going to get to where your dreads want to be if you just relax. Enjoy the journey, man. Your hair is only going to be like what certain length for a certain amount of time. You might as well just let it grow and enjoy it, man. Enjoy yourself, enjoy the dreads, and see where this journey will take you, guys. And that wraps it up, everybody. 5 tips to making your dreads grow faster. I hope you guys learned something. I hope this video was value to you guys, because like I said, I did this and this made help my dreads grow fast. Actually, let me show you guys my dreads. They're alright. They're definitely alright. They're actually, like I said, they're in 2-strand twists right now. They actually are longer, but
I hope you guys learned something from this video. I hope I helped
you guys out. Enjoy your dread journey. This is Vinny Matthews, and I'm out.